What we need: a 9:16 ratio image. I tried using 1:2 and 1:3 ratios and it didn't work, but feel free to try by yourself. And we need an Instagram business account linked to a Facebook page. If you want to generate an image for free, you can go to Leonardo.AI, change the resolution to 9:16, write a prompt, and that's it. Assuming you already have a correct ratio image, we need to go to Imgur.com. There's no need to register here. What we need is to click on New Post, drop our image in here, and as you can see, I tried different ratios, but it didn't work. We drop our image here, and we wait for the message that it downloaded completely. Now we copy the link and we move on to another website called make.com. Here you do need to register. You can do so very fast with your Google account. Once we're in, we click on Create New Scenario and search for Instagram for Business. Now we scroll down until we find this option, Create Photo Post. By the way, if you would like to post multiple pictures like a carousel, you can find that option scrolling down a little bit further. Moving on with our post, since it's the first time we're using this scenario, we need to connect Instagram to make.com. We click on Create Connection, give a name to the connection. In this case, I'll call it Instagram. We click on Save, and it will take us to a confirmation pop-up from Facebook where we accept and recognize this connection. We click on Continue, and now we can proceed to assemble our post. Remember to choose the Facebook page linked to the Instagram account where you want to post the image. Here on Photo URL, we are going to paste the pictures link we got from Imgur. Remember, we paste the URL, and in case it doesn't have it, we write .png at the end. Now, if you want to add some text or a caption, you can do that right here. I won't do that at this time. So what's left for us is to click on OK. And now we click on Run Once. As you can see, the post went through. Now, let me refresh my Instagram account so you can actually see this new long image Instagram post. But first, this feels like a good moment to ask you to subscribe and leave a like if you found this video useful. Okay, here it is. Let's open it. Check it out. This image is way longer than a regular Instagram picture. This is a regular picture. And this is how to post long photos on Instagram. This is how the long picture we just posted on Instagram looks like on PC. Remember to leave a like and subscribe.